Well, we're working on S1 today. We have a couple of bad dome wheels that are broken, and those need to be replaced. So we have everything opened, ready to go. Well, here's one wheel. Looks pretty bad. And also another wheel here on the other side. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to make a sawzall cut here and another sawzall cut here, because we can't get these nuts off of the bolts. I guess they're stone bolts. Well, they are. I've seen them. They're down under 3 layers of plywood and they just spin. And I've tried notching the top using a screwdriver just to hold it, or using two nuts on top to jam the bolt together and hold the bolt so I can take the bottom nut off, but it's not going to work. So the last resort is to make a sawzall cut and take these two off in one piece, and then I'll be fastening it back here with the other two bolts mounted to the beam, and then put this back together. We'll show you the outside cause and effect. Well, here's the underside. Can't tell whether it's in focus. Cutting right through the outer flashing. The dome is doing that. I don't know if you can see that or not. That cut, and the dome is resting on this outer flashing, riding around it. So some of the tools of the trade for this particular job: sawzall, hydraulic jack here, finger jack, and that way we can raise up the dome, shim it, so we take the pressure off this area. Okay, we have a couple of spacers in here, aluminum spacers to take up any flexibility inside here so we don't distort this rail. We'll raise that up a little bit, and then we'll have to raise the other side column, take the weight off those wheels so that when we take out that section, it'll come out curly without the dome coming down any further. We need to bring it up high enough so that we can take out the hydraulic finger wedge and move to the next station. Bring it up a little bit higher. Almost there. Okay. Let's lower that down on the shim. Okay. Walk over here to this side. Put the wedge in. Put you on pause here. Okay. I don't know if you'll be able to see this, but we'll take some footage anyway. This is a 15 amp Makita Sawzall AVT automatic vibration, and it's also got a lock on here in the trigger, which comes in real handy. We can adjust my guard without too far. Bring it all the way in. Now we'll just undo these two bolts, pull that section out, put in the wheels and bolt it back together. Nice. Okay, I guess we're lined up. You might be able to see this removal of this section, I guess. Okay, here's the stay. One bad wheel, one axle, well, and one wheel without the axle. I'll get the other axle in a moment. Okay. Put these down here. All the ball bearings are missing. Slide in the new wheels. And simple as that. Bolt it back in. Yeah, bolt it back in. Okay. Thank you for staying tuned. Kuchar, fix it all. Okay. Let's see if we can't put this section back in and bolt it back down to the beam. What appears to be simple is usually the most difficult to complete. Okay, we're ready to lower down the dome. Check out the support blocks on one side.